enter worldvision6k.ca into your search bar, and that'll redirect us to the Global 6K landing page. Once we are in here, we can do a bunch of different things, and one of the things we'll do today is register ourselves as a host site. So we are going to be organizing this on behalf of our community. Simply scroll down to become a host site, and then once you're in here, there is going to be a drop-down menu where you'll simply select start a new host site. Enter in your contact details. If you want to put an organization name, that's fine. Enter in your address. And then provide us with a little bit more information about your location, your host site location. So let's just call it Mississauga. Provide us with an address. Let us know what date you're planning to have the event, as well as the time that you plan to start the event. And then lastly, what is the fundraising target that you'd like to set for the team? The one last thing is make a decision whether you would like to provide finisher medals, Global 6K finisher medals for your participants. Most of our sites say yes, so you can select that. Click continue and the process is finished. You'll receive a thank you message as well as an email from Global 6K for Water providing you with some resources as well as guidance on next steps. Thank you very much.